How to hide your profile display on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your profile display on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you can head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you're here, tap on the edit profile button, and after you tap on it, you can then scroll down until you find an option called profile display under profile information. So tap on profile display, and after you tap on it, you can see the display category label and display contact info label. So all you have to do to hide profile display is turn both of these off and then tap on done on the top right corner. And after doing that, you have just hidden your profile display on Instagram. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.